I thought it might be a good idea for us to talk about how to address the envelope, because this is crucial that you get it right, because even if you go to all the trouble to write the letter and you have everything correct in the letter, if you don't get it to the correct person, it isn't going to end up where you want it to end up, and you're not going to get any cool stuff. All right, so let's look at this example of an envelope that has been written. And you can see that the stamp goes right here in the upper right hand corner. Make sure the stamp is turning the correct direction, meaning if it's a flag, that the flag is in the right direction. Okay? So this is the return address. This right here is going to say your name. The second line will be care of Angie Shelton. The next line will say Tusculum View School. The next line will say 1725 Lafayette Street. And the last line will say Greenville, Tennessee. Exactly what it says. No, wrong class. Exactly what it says right here. So what you put right here in the letter goes in the return address section. What this means is this tells the person you sent the letter to, here is the address that you need to send all the cool stuff to. Okay? Down here is the recipient, that the person receiving the letter. What is their address? Now in this particular case, we don't really know the name of the person that's going to get it because we don't know who works in these offices. So what you're going to do, in this case I've looked up Union University. Someone is doing Union University. So remember, you have to add Union University admissions address. And that's what you're going to put right here. It's going to say Union University admissions office. And if you go back to your OneNote, you see that I've listed that right here. That's what you're looking up. Whatever the name of the school is, admissions address. So you can see right here is the address for this university. So you're going to put, let's go back to this one, Union University admissions office. Next will be the street name. So let's look. You will see that the street name is 1050 Union University Drive. That goes on the second line. You can see that's the street address. The last line will be the city and the state and the zip code, and you make it look just in that order. So when we go back here, you will see Jackson, that's the city, comma, Tennessee, T-N, and you don't write out Tennessee, you write out T-N, or if it was Florida, F-L, whatever abbreviation they use for their state, and then the zip code. Zip code's super important that you get those numbers correct. So if you address your envelope like this, it will get exactly where it needs to go, to the people it needs to go to, and you'll probably get awesome stuff. Show me your envelope before you put the stamp on it, because I'm not giving you the stamp until I know that the address is correct. So bring your computer up with you along with the envelope so I can see that the address that you've written down is the correct one that's on the computer. We don't need to waste stamps if you haven't gotten the address correctly. In case you don't know, the envelopes are right behind my desk in the black cabinet where, or black shelf where the books are located.